Hi friends, it's Monday, it's April 20th, it's day 145 of school, and you should have your new lessons for this week. I sent them out on Friday in an email, and they're also uploaded down below of this video. So you're gonna start your day with your calendar, weather, and tally chart. Today's day 145, so you're gonna need to make 145 tally marks. Whoa, that's a lot. Then you're gonna choose 2 new jobs for the week. If you can't think of 2 new jobs, maybe you could ask mom or dad what they would need help with. Do they need help watering the plants? Do they need help emptying the dishwasher? Would they like you to make your bed? Could you clean your bathroom? These are things that you could do to help out around the house, just like you do around our class. You have new spelling words this week. They are compound words, which is a tricky word for saying 2 words together create a brand new word. So beehive, put it together, it makes beehive. Baseball, baseball. Oh my goodness. So there is a video down below that Jack Hartman does about compound words. So before you do anything, I want you to watch that video next. Then you're going to do 1 page from your spelling book and 1 spelling activity choice. So from that choice board, you can do whatever one you want. Then you're going to read your absolute favorite book in your house. It could be a book from when you were way tiny, or it could be a book that you're reading right now. So whatever is your absolute number 1 favorite book in your house is what you're gonna read today. If it's a huge chapter book, like a Harry Potter, you're probably not gonna be able to read the whole thing today, so just choose and do parts of the book today. In your journal, you have a choice. You're either going to write about your weekend, or you're going to do a free write. And a free write, like we've done in class, could be a true story. It could be a made up story. It could be you write a letter to someone. It could be you write a continuous story that you've already written in your journal and maybe you want to add more details to it. So that's up to you. You can either do your weekend or a free write. Either way, I need at least 6 sentences. Then with math, we're gonna do a little bit more work this week on halves, quarter, and whole. So today you're gonna be talking about a half. So you're gonna need something round like a cracker or a pancake or a piece of paper or an orange that you're going to be able to split in half. And you're gonna do page 160 in your math workbook. You're also gonna go to Seesaw and do an activity on Seesaw that has to do with making a pizza. Whatever you put on one half, you're gonna need to put on the other half. If you put a mushroom on one half, a mushroom's gonna need to go on the other half. Okay, so those halves are gonna be the same. The last thing you're gonna do is underneath of here, there's a lot of things underneath here today. One of them is some science videos. You're going to be starting your own science experiment at home, and I want you to get your brain thinking about what you want to do or what you could do with things that you have around the house. So you're going to be answering a science question and doing the experiment to find out the answer to that. So you're going to need to figure out the materials, your hypothesis, the steps to creating the experiment, what are the results of the experiment, was your hypothesis correct? You're going to do all of that later, but today I just want you to watch the video underneath to get your mind going about things that you could do around your house to answer a question. The last thing. I loved reading with you guys last week. I read with you one-on-one, and this week I'd like to read with your reading group. So every day I'm gonna read with a reading group at 10 o'clock. When you show up to our online meeting, I need you to just bring a book, and you're gonna share a little bit of that book with our group. So if you have a book that you could read in 5 to 7 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes, in our group, that would be awesome. So that way we could hear a whole book. If you want to read just part of a book, you can do that too. And then maybe you finish the next part of it next week. So today I will be reading with Lucy, Laren, Brooklyn, Theo, and Brecken. So at 10 o'clock, There is a link that I sent out on Friday in an email, and the link is also in the message of the day today. So just that group will come on at 10 o'clock, and I will see you at 10 o'clock. Everybody else, I'll see one other day later this week. Looking forward to that. It's gonna be fun. All right, y'all, happy Monday. I will see some of you at 10 o'clock, and I'll see the rest of you tomorrow morning. Bye.